Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I decided to do the faux marble desktop with contact paper using the soapy water hack. Y'all stay tuned for this hot mess. Okay, so first thing you need is the contact paper. I got this from Amazon and I'll have the link in the description. This could be what you love. Next, you'll need a pair of scissors and some warm soapy water. Don't ask me why it has to be warm. I don't know. I also grabbed tape just to keep everything in place. Okay, so first thing I had to do was go ahead and get everything off of my desk. And then right here, I'm getting ready to place the first sheet. While I'm doing this, I do spray a little bit of the water just to try and see if it'll help me with sliding it if I place it wrong. It did slide real easily, but yeah. Have a squeegee, I just don't know where it is, so I use my cutting board. But I'm not gonna talk through this whole video. I'm gonna let y'all watch it and give y'all my thoughts at the end. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up clean in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Alright, so I do feel like it came out cute. I did mess up, as you can see, a couple times, but once everything is back on my desk, you can't really tell. As far as using the soapy water, I do feel like it made the contact paper slide a bit to where I could put it where it's supposed to be or place it correctly, but I don't feel like it's necessary if you have patience enough to do this, and I don't. Overall, I think it came out cute, so let me know if you decide to try this. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.